Hey guys, 101 Garage here. Here's our KTM RC8R. 2013. 12,000 miles. Great bike. I'm looking forward to the ride today. Alright, let's get going. Always wipe the bikes down, check the fuel, check the tire pressure. I'm sure you guys already know that by now. But this is a great bike. Sounds totally different than the others. Alright, let's get her started. Oh yeah. Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna get riding. Have a great day. Please leave in a comment any KTM stories you have. Alright, thanks for following us. Later, bye.